We just released a new update to the mobile app, and you can now have a fully functioning operator screen directly on the mobile app. And you'll notice the navigation is now exactly the same as it is in the web app. And here we're looking at a bottling line with multiple stations, and you can see that we have changeover functionality here. We have downtime that can be recorded. Production details, you can look at events, you can view attachments. All of that functionality is now directly available on the phone. You can also respond to downtime prompts on the phone as well. So for example, if a line goes down and your supervisor is responsible for entering the downtime, but they're not right in front of an iPad for that machine, they no longer have to walk over to that iPad. They can just put it in directly on their phone. And it also works the same on any of the other lines as well. So if I look at flow wrap here, for example, let's say I want to do a changeover to an unscheduled part, I can do that. And that all works directly in the phone. And then we also released a while ago the ability to look at dashboards on your phone. So we do have that. You can scroll left and right in the tables so that you can see all of the data. All of the filters and selections work just like they do inside of the web app.